Shalom everyone, I'm going to continue a fantastic series, friends, of Yomi. Friends, we are on page number 42 over here of Masechet Menachot, making fantastic progress, just doing a bit of spice shopping here on Shabbat, and we're talking all about Brit, Mila, are circumcised in today's page. And we know that the Torah commands us that when a Jewish boy is born, he should be circumcised on 8th day, which we learn about in Parashat Tazriah. And the passage to denote circumcising the child use the terminology yimol, and similar acts of words of circumcising appear over 30 times inside the Chumash respectively, especially mostly in the book of Bereshit in of itself. Now, the most common term used nowadays for practitioner of circumcision is a mohel, and when the term mohel does not appear in the Torah or the Mishnah, an Aramaic form of this word already appears in the Talmud. The Talmud in Masechet Shabbat 156 states that while a person born under the influence of Mars, let's say the red planet, he may be destined to serve in an occupation shedding blood. That could be a bloodletter, it could be a robber, a butcher, but it could be also a circumciser. That's what we very much learn about. Now, what's interesting is that there's various different words and terminologies used inside the Talmud, which is reference to a circumciser. For example, in Bava Batra and in Sanhedrin, it states that it's forbidden for a Torah scholar to live in a city which does not have something called a rofeh and an uman. What is that over there? It's a doctor or physician, or let's say talking about the realms of healing, remedy, medicine in of its own right, referring once again to a circumciser over there, like who can circumcise, let's say, Jewish children of its own right. Now, we see in today's page on Menachot number 42 over here, and also we see in the Masechet Avodah Zarah in 26 bet, it discusses that when a Jewish circumciser is unavailable in a given city, whether it's preferable that let's say an Aramean rofeh performs circumcision or a Kuthite rofeh over here does so. Both Rashi and the Main's commentary attributed to Rabbeinu Gershon over there, expounding on this Daf in Masechet Menachot, clarified that the rofeh in this case actually refers to a surgeon who serves as a circumciser. On the other hand, Rashi, I think where we just mentioned Avodah Zarah in 26, writes that a rofeh does not mean circumciser, but rather refers to a physician who also knows how to perform circumcision. And also we see that the terminology bloodletter and uman also refer to a bloodletter, and that is very much in Masechet Tani in 21 bet. And there's other places using other terminologies denoting, let's just use this in its own right. This is just adapted from Rabbi Reuben Klein's excellent notes here on the Awesome website, and page 42 Masechet Menachot. Wishing all a Shabbat Shalom and take care. I'm ready to get some spices now, friends. Take care.